Hey guys. Um uh, my skin is fucked up, but I'm maybe losing my acne. I don't know. Sorry. Guys, I've been using this for like 2 days, right? Now under my skin, it doesn't really feel that much of a like acne, but it dried it out and it got really dark, and it's supposed to peel off. This is the Planet Eden Exfoliate and Glow 20% silic acid skin peel, and tea tree oil and green tea extract is in it. But I just wish it didn't do this to my skin. Like, I am a person who know who takes care of their skin. I try my best to take care of my skin, but sometimes it just doesn't work. But I mean, I use it under my chin. No major dark spots, but besides here. But I mean, it's good. Oh my gosh. Like, it's doing really well. So yeah. Alright, well, let's get started in this video. I'm just going to do my brows really quickly. So I am going to take my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade number 3. It's this shade. And I'm taking the Real Techniques Deluxe Concealer Brush. And with this... Okay, my eyelashes are falling. First, I'm actually going to take my Shape Tape Concealer on the lid. And then I'm going to clean it up with that. So I'm going back into that eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to put it on the eyelid, and I'm slowly going to work it up. Why is there so much technique to putting on eyeshadow base? It's not much technique, I promise you. Okay, I'm being annoying. I'm just blending the sides so it just won't look weird. Okay. Now, this is the annoying part. I'm using 3 palettes, but they're like simple kind of colors. I'm going into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I will be taking this mustard yellow. It's yellow on screen, but it's kind of orange. It's like a mixture of orange and yellow. But yeah. And I'm just going to take that on a multitask eye brush by Real Techniques. At first, I'm just stippling the product on first, and then I'm just going to blend it out. Not stippling, but pressing the powder on. I'm actually going to use this palette again. I'm going to take this color right here. It's more of a tanner, warm transition shade. Not for me, but I mean, I guess. It's like an orangey. I don't know how to explain this shade. I'm terrible. I need to learn color theory, because how else will I tell you guys? I'm using the Morphe 35. Oh crap. I'm using the Morphe 35. Oh, and I'm using this shade right here. Ow! I didn't put my eye. Oh. 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 I'm just going to use this shade right here. I love this shade so much. I feel like that gathered to be too dark, but I'm not sure. But I'm just going to define the crease a little bit with that shade. Going into the the Morphe 12P palette, and I'm packing this pink on. So I'm just gonna pack on more concealer. Wait. Just gonna start blending up, and it gives like a nice blend. So what I have right now is like a pink that's transitioned into an orange, but I don't think it's showing up. I feel like it can show up a little bit more. It could be the way I'm applying it, but if you're still watching, cool, thanks. My skin is crazy. Oh crap. Yeah, it's crazy looking. Oh my god. My skin will be back. It will. Okay, let me stop. I want to do blue, but I feel like it's way too late, and that would just knock off the color contrast so much. But I want to try it. I hope I don't like fuck it up. I'm not sure because my camera just turned off. I mean, not turned off, but like it just stopped. So, but right now I'm just patting on the colors, and I'm dragging it also. I'm not really trying to blend anything in. And then I'm going to take this brush right here, and I'm just going to blend the edges. Apply more, and I'm just going to do the same. Okay, now I hope that I put the pink high enough. But if not, I'm just going to take that shade a little bit higher in the inner corner. And this is a Sonia Kashuk. I used it so much that the number rubbed off, so but it looks like this. I'm sorry. And now here comes the fun part. If I could find the fun part, well, the other half of the fun part. Where is the fun part? Vanessa, where you at, girl? Oh. You know what? I can't find it. Kind of upset now. But I'm just going to keep it going. And I'm just going to use the primer to help it stick. I was going to use the MaryamNYC gloss thing, but you know, I couldn't find it. I use it all the time. I don't know where it is. But now I was going to add on top because it helps with sticking with this. So I'm using the Arsenal Pigments by MaryamNYC, and I'm using the shade Supreme. This super silver, it's so beautiful. Just wait till it's on the lid. Oh. Like, look how beautiful. Oh, just tapping it on. Oh. 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 I feel like this is low-key a little bit more pigmented than the other side. So I'm just going to add more blue to add more depth to it. I'm just going to add this blue. Okay, switch the brush over Jehloni. Now that's the pigment and color I want it to pay off as. Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna take a smaller brush and it's gonna blend it up. Damn, this is a long tutorial. I hope I can edit it short. Damn. And I'm just gonna take another brush and I'm just gonna go into that pink. I'm gonna make it more defined. Oh, okay, YouTube is really making, I had the idea, but the idea but in my head, but it came out a little different, and oh wow, I kind of love it. So I'm just gonna like tap it down a little bit, just to tap it down a little bit so it can look like a tiny little blend down. Ooh, ooh, girl, Danessa, oh my god, I love you so much, and thank you for sending me this for my birthday. Like, she sent me a whole bunch of stuff, oh my god. And I'm just gonna go back into that blue, and I'm just gonna flip back and forth on each side to make sure everything's blended. Oh my god, it looks so good. Okay, now I'm just gonna pat the blue down a little bit, cause I don't want it to look like super clean. You know, kids, I'm gonna just wipe my face and with a white makeup wipe, and we'll start the face. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this part in or not, but okay. I am back. My lashes to the Ardell 600s. Yeah, so it's the Wispies collection, I guess. Yeah. So we are on to lips, and I am going, see, here's the thing. So I asked a group of friends what lip color I should wear, and I honestly don't know. I don't know, and I cannot find my black lipstick they suggested, and I am just going to I'm going to use Halloween face paint for my lipstick because I can't find it. I just remembered the lipstick I gave away because I used it on a client, and well, no, I did my cousin's makeup and my cousin's friend wanted to use the black lipstick, so I just was like, whatever, I'll just give it to you. And now I'm putting it on with the eyeliner brush, Sonia Kashuk, and it's the number 27. Okay, so I wanted to do, I like the black, but I also like the nude. This lip color is Teddy Bear by Milani, you know. And I'm actually going to add a little bit of that highlighter right in the corner of my eye. Like this side, oh, this side is giving me contour a little bit more, and you'll get it. Like, I need that look, and then with this side, it's like very feminine but dramatic, and like, you know. And I can't decide, so I'm just gonna keep it on like this. But yeah, guys, you could just use any black lipstick and then just Teddy Bear by Milani, oof, oof, or just a nude. It pulls everything together, you know, like it's a low. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm just gonna keep it like this because I cannot decide anything. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Oh, my necklace, I need to pull it out, you know. I got it while I was in Mexico. My cousin got it for me. I love you. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm sorry I just can't decide what lipstick color I want. So I'm just gonna have like a thumbnail like I don't know, something cute. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope I can edit and upload this by tomorrow. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, I will be uploading next week, hopefully very soon, like next week, like Tuesday and Thursday, because I'm gonna try to upload twice a week. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and always enjoy your temporary but love your permanent. Your makeup always comes off at the end of the night, so love you for you, and I have to love me for me right now. Ooh, that's just so just keep loving yourself guys, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. Where's my mouse? Oh, okay. I need to stop the recording.